Hello everybody and welcome back to another weather forecast. So in my last video, I talked about a low pressure system that would form right over here, move its way down here. However, new updates are here. So basically, this will still happen, but this larger low pressure system centered over Ontario at the moment, this low pressure system is actually going to join in with the flow, which is kind of interesting to see. So that's the basic weather pattern for this region up here, and I'm going to look at that right now. So right now I'm looking at the 700 millibar map, which is about 3,000 meters in the atmosphere, from the surface at least. And what's going to be happening is there's going to be two shortwave troughs that are going to move through this flow. If we look at the 700 millibar map, that is the best chance for us to see shortwave troughs. What I'm going to do is actually get a little bit closer to the Midwest, because that's where most of the snow is going to end up being dumped, right? So a shortwave trough is where there's these kinks in the flow. I'm going to draw out right here. So these contour lines, they're twisting a little bit, right? Right here, they're kind of twisting. This is indicative of a little shortwave trough that's going to move through here and actually end up setting off a little bit of snowfall. We're also going to see this if we look at snow accumulation, as this leads a little bit of snow to form right here, leading to a little bit of a lake effect snow, but nothing too severe. This is maybe upwards of 4 inches total over a given time period. But it will have more impacts in Michigan. If we look at the 700 millibar map, you can see where it moves through, and it forces a lot of these things to actually move. Shortwave troughs tend to happen more so in severe weather events, so it's kind of interesting this is happening for winter. Nonetheless, it is still going to happen. At 500 millibars, if I go to it, that trough that was up here becomes embedded in the flow, right? So this trough stays up here. As it moves this way, it'll end up kind of hiding. It'll end up kind of hiding in the overall flow across the United States. Here it is right here, and now it's part of the flow. And on Friday, this is actually going to mainly be the main forcing method for the Midwest once again. So here, I'm going to try to look at the HRRR model, understand total snow amounts. So this will actually bring a decent amount of snow, mostly near the Great Lakes, because a lot of this will end up being lake effect snow. You can see with this plume of snow right here in Indiana, that's fairly significant for such a minor system like this. So I just wanted to get this update out. We're going to see higher snowfalls than I originally anticipated with this system. And if these snowfall amounts do increase even more, I will let you all know. But lake effect snow is definitely going to be the main threat. So the main region will be, get a good color here, probably just this section right here. Winds are mostly going to moving in more southerly directions out of Lake Michigan, and that's going to be the main reason why we'll see snow in that region. Sorry for such a short video this time, but if more updates happen, I will keep you all posted. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.